Dear students, once again I am going to explain Scratch programming. First thing you need to do is to click on the sprite you want to program and select the scripts tab. Since your sprite is the only thing that can be animated, make sure you have it selected. The script area is where you build your program by using the programming blocks. So let's look at this Scratch window. So here I'm moving on this. So see, these are this is called a script area. This side is called a script area. This is stage where your sprite moves. This is static sprite, and here we drag the blocks, inner blocks. From here we move, and then we can. So motion is having this much, and looks are having this events, controls, sensing, operators, more blocks. So all these are having over here. Now see that how to work with blocks. So there are three types of blocks in Scratch. That first is called your so first is head blocks. So they are shaped with curved top and bump at the bottom. So let's look at in Scratch. So if you see these events, you will see this hat blocks. This is called hat blocks, and here you will find a rounded curved shaped on top. So nothing would be inserted on top of it, and you will see a small bump just below it. Now come to the stack blocks. So stack blocks, where this is called a stack block. On top you will find a small hole so that it can be inserted into this bump, and at the bottom there is a bump. So means this top can be inserted and bottom also can be put into some other block. So this is how stack blocks. So you can drag and drop like this. See how a stack is being formed, and all these will go to this bump. Will not put on top of it. And then it's called reporter. Now the last one, three blocks are there. So last one is the reporter block. So reporter block is coming in angled or rounded shape. So this is the answer. You want to rounded shape it here, and this is this one is also rounded shape, and this is your angled shape. This is called reporter block. So these blocks we are going to use in our Scratch programming. So you can see that there are three tabs here, and each tab is having some block. So here scripts are having these blocks: motion, looks, sound, pan, data, events, control, sensing, operators, more blocks, and each block is having some scripts inside it. So you just click and you will find many inside. So it is categorized so that if you are putting all together, it will be quite confusing. So that's why it is categorized. So costumes will have costumes, design of your sprite, sound will be sound. So this is how to work. Now it is that task to make the cat move 50 steps. First task is to make cat move 50 steps. So let me drag and drop over here. First task is make the cat move 50 steps and turn right 90 degrees. So I go to this motion block, I'll select this and drop, dragging and dropping, and I'll change this to 50 steps. Then it is telling that turn 90 degrees. So I'll give this 50 degrees to change 90 degrees. and then you click on it and you find see how it is. Once you are clicking, your sprite here on left side, you can see that it is moving 50 steps and then turning 90 degrees. First it is moving 50 steps and then turning 90 degrees. Now the second task to add sound and meow sound. So I'll go to this block that is called loop block, and I'll found sound block, and here is the sound that is plays sound meow. So once you are clicking on it and see it is moving 50 steps, turning 90 degrees and plays sound meow. Okay, now come to the looks block, and here I want to find some message, so here I'll put it down. So see, this sprite is moving 50 steps and soon it's turning into 90 degree angle, and then sound is being produced, that is meow sound of the cat, and then this cat is saying hello or any message which you want. So here I'll change hello students. Okay, so now I'm going to click on it. See how it is happening. Your sprite is moving 50 steps, turning 90 degrees, making sound of meow, and then it's saying hello students. So this is how it's working, and then we are supposed to give some events, control events. So suppose you are putting when this flag. So when flag is clicked, see this is the flag, and this flag is having event. So I'm just putting it down over here and I'm clicking on this. So same thing. Once I'm clicking on this flag, it is happening. Now I'll change this event to when space bar is clicked. I'll move this away, this event, and I'll put this. So see, I'm putting this, and now I'm pressing this space bar. So I'm pressing a space bar, and this same thing is happening. Now I'm going to use repeat block. So see, now whenever I am pressing this flag or pressing space bar from my keyboard, then your sprite is doing the task which is assigned to it. But I want it should be repeated. So I'll go to control. I'll bring this repeat block. I'll put around it here, and then I'll change this to 100 times. And then when I space bar is pressed, see it's moving 100 times. It will move 100 times altogether unless you are not putting gap between it. So this is repeating 100 times. So without pressing event, automatically it will be done. Now forever block. So same here in the control block, you'll find forever, and remove this repeat. I'm removing this repeat. I'm putting forever, and I'm putting this. So forever, and then I'm going to place space key pressed. So forever, it will go on till you are not stopping it. So once stop, then it will stop. So this is how we can do that, and this much you have in your syllabus. You practice at home. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.